She's a monster and I can prove it. So if you guys didn't know it, I got approached by a company to look at their seeds, and I'm very, very impressed. But I had a small problem. Well, I went and I planted a bunch of them, like everywhere. Well, that thing right there decided that that would be the funnest thing to dig up ever. So now I'm going to plant an emergency herb garden, so whatever I eat tastes good. That's what we're going to plant right there. We're going to plant some sage, and I mean, we're just going to plant all sorts of stuff. I really like the packaging that this company provides. I wish I would have had something grown by now, but I don't. So I'm going to try and open this with one hand. Maybe I'll get it started with my teeth. Rawr. All right. There we go. I think we might have got it. I really wish I had a tripod right now, but that is not here. Or maybe I'll set it's opening. It's opening. What's inside? Okay. So, individually packed. A little marker there so you can like say what it is. We're going to plant some. It's not time for chives. These are, what do we got here? That's basil. We're going to plant some rosemary and some cilantro and some mint and some lavender and some sage and some thyme. And I think that's going to be it. I'll check my list and get back with you guys once we start putting the seeds in the plant. But yeah, I really like the way everything is individually packaged inside of the container. But ciao. All right, let's go ahead and do a cutscene. Yeah, quick update. I just checked my list and I can plant chives too. So yeah, this is what we're going to do. And we're going to take the rest of these. We're going to put it back in the. We're going to put it back inside the bag for future use when the appropriate season is there. And that's what we're going to plant right now. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to talk as low as possible. This microphone is like super sensitive. So I'm going to be speaking in my sensitive voice. I've already got all the little signs made up here. I got my seeds made up, and we're going to start putting them in. I think I'm going to start with, I want things that I can like eat. Like I'm going to put the mint with the lavender further down, and I think sage and thyme in the middle. Let me give like a whole, I want to get some like chives in there too. I don't know how many chives will actually pop in there, so I'll probably do like a huge amount of chives. I may not actually have enough here, and I don't know that I need rosemary because I have a giant rosemary plant over there. So I'm going to go without the rosemary for right now. So that leaves me chives and cilantro. I'm going to put chives and cilantro in here, and then in the middle one I'm going to do the thyme and the sage, and then on the furthest one I'm going to do the mint and the lavender. By the way, I have a giant, like, buttloads of mint down there, but I'm going to plant some here anyway because I want to see how these seeds actually perform. So we're going to take off the anti-kitty device, anti-prepper cat device, and I've already pre-watered some of this, but I'm going to give it some more water because it kind of just absorbed it all. And we're just going to kind of get these in here, and I don't want to do them all. I want to save some of these because if these are kick-ass seeds, then I want to do something with them. And I'm just going to like press them into the soil, just a little bit, get them in there. I'm probably doing this wrong. If you sent me these seeds and I'm doing this all wrong, you feel free to tell me that I'm doing it all wrong. But seeds fall from pods off of bushes and plants, and this is how they actually get, what did I just put in there? That's the cilantro. Okay. Cilantro. Pa-cha-cha, cilantro. It's going in. Cilantro's in. All right, what's my next one's going to be? My next one is going to be chives. And I'm going to do chives the same exact way. Ooh, there's a little bitty seeds. I need to be careful with these guys. I don't want to, wow, these are really interesting seeds. I guess we're just going to kind of sprinkle these guys in here. and they just dropped all over the place. So I guess we'll find out. We're going to pat those into the soil a little bit just to make sure that nothing happens to them. I may even add a few more since I'm just willy-nilly kind of losing them wherever we're going. We're going all in, guys, on the chives. We're going to go all in. We're going to get those into the soil, and we're obviously going to water this a little bit after we finish filming. There's my chives. We're going to pop you right in there, and then we need to reprotect it. I really want to get, I think I need to push more of those seeds further into the soil, maybe. Yeah, I think that'll be good right there. I think that's suitable. And this soil is stuff that I made myself, so it's going to be very nutritious for these. Let's check the camera. Are we still recording? We are still recording. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. All right, so next we're going to do the thyme and the sage. We're going to remove the old Prepper Cat protection device, and we're going to do this thyme. Let's get this all over here. What do these seeds look like? Wow, these, I had no idea. Wow, the seeds are so small that they look like little microscopic organism bug thingies. I mean, these are going to be really hard to minimize. I think I may end up just like spreading them out like pepper because they're so small. Can you guys see that? Wow, talk about small. I'm just going to sprinkle them onto the soil, I guess, and pray for the best. I can only pat down the invisibleness of this and mark it. I had no idea that thyme seeds were so small, but now I know that. All right, and then obviously we're going to pop that sage in there. And that's going to move that chunk of probably some kind of poop. This is, like I said, this is very nutrient-rich soil that I've made. It's loose, so pretty much anything's going to grow in it. Now, this has small seeds too. We're going to go all in. There you go. There we go. And there's our, what have we got? Our sage seeds. And we're just going to kind of sprinkle those guys here and there. I almost feel like I'm talking like that guy that makes the pretty little clouds. We're going to make this pretty little cloud over here. All right, we're going to plant our sage stick right there. This is our stick of sage. And then we're going to replace the anti-Prepper Cat device. And then we're going to move on to the next one. Okay, and we're kind of like wash, rinse, repeat. This was her favorite one. This is the one that she dug up the most, so I kind of made this one a little bit stronger. And we're going to take our, we're going to put our mints on the left and our lavender on the right. What do these mint seeds look like? I really love the way these things are packaged, guys. Oh, mint seeds are really small. I didn't know that. Wow, that's like super duper small. Those are even smaller than those other ones. But I do like the fact that they're packaged this way. It just kind of tells me that they kind of take their product seriously instead of just, you know, willy-nilly stuff. Go ahead and we're going to sprinkle that over there. Pat it in just I'm going to pat it in just for good measure. And that was the mint. So, and then we're going to plant some lavender now. All right, lavender. What's lavender look like? Another bag of tiny seeds. Wow, man. It's like the seeds just keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller. We'll put you right there for right now. And we're getting tiny packages everywhere. All right, wow. Talk about small. And don't think that you can't actually use lavender for more than making your room smell good. You can use it in certain foods, certain spices that'll accent a lot of things. I'm trying to get as many of these tiny little seeds out of here as possible because they are just like super duper small. I'm going to try and spread them out as much as I can. All right, we're going to pat those guys in. I'm going to pop you over there, Mr. Lavender. Reactivate the anti-Prepper Cat device. Now we're going to go talk about what we just did. All right, guys, so what did we learn? Well, basically you can plant almost year round. I mean, unless snow's on the ground, it's a little tricky. We also learned that we need to protect it from monsters like this they like to dig. Now, I really like this company, Homegrown. I'm going to put a link down below. I am not an affiliate. I make $0 pennies on their sales. But they sent me it, and I like the way it's packaged. And we're going to kind of follow these things. And I'm also going to be making a video. They also sent me some sprouts, which are apparently in 5 days you're going yum, yum, yum. And I like me some yum, yum, yum. So I'm going to be doing a video on that. And but that'll be kind of a time-lapse thing. So it'll take me about 5 days to make. And I will be starting that video today. Okay, so like I said, once again, links right here. If you like seeds, and I know all you preppers do, go get your seeds. They make a whole buttload of different types, and I think that they're worth the money. All right, guys, I think that's all I wanted to say. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol or the join button. Doesn't matter. Just hit it and that'll get you started. It's $3 a month for 30-ish days of work from me. The price of a Starbucks coffee. So until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye. Hey, you're still here. Bonus content. So I actually had some local potatoes that were growing inside of my my pantry. So I was like, hey, let's just put these in the ground. So in place of the seeds that I would have loved to have, you know, after I made the boxes and everything, that the cat decided that was her favorite dig up place, I decided to put down local potatoes. There's 16 of them in there, and yeah, it's got its anti-kitty cat device on it as well. Thanks for watching. More to come.